If you'd like to have financial freedom, then you need passive income. If you want passive income, then you should seriously consider investing in mortgage backed promissory notes. Hi, my name is Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and I want to just share with you a little bit of information about investing in mortgage backed promissory notes. Because for me personally, mortgage backed promissory notes have taken me from the brink of bankruptcy to a position of complete financial independence where I never have to worry about money again. Can you imagine that? Having a life where money is just not an issue? You don't have to think about it. If you see something that you like or something that you want to do, you can just do it. It's a wonderful feeling, guys. Trust me when I tell you that. But it's something that any one of us can have. You see, there's an investment class called mortgage-backed promissory notes that very few people know about. But yet, it's extremely profitable. You get cash flow, you have collateral, and you can buy these and invest in these by partnering with other people and using other people's money. You see, there are 7 essential resources that are needed in order to invest in mortgage-backed promissory notes. Only 7. Money is only one of the 7. So if you have the other 6 resources, which would be skills, specific skills, and also relationships with the right people, you have those in place, you'll find it's pretty easy to find people who don't have the time or the expertise or even the desire to learn the things that you have learned or to take the steps that you've taken, but yet they have money and they're more than happy to partner with you because the investment makes so much sense. The other thing that I like about investing in mortgage-backed promissory notes is this: you don't go backwards in this investment class. What do I mean by that? What I mean is that every single day with a mortgage-backed promissory note, interest gets added to the balance. Unlike stocks, for example, where today the stock might be trading at $100 a share, and tomorrow it could be $90 a share. So literally you could lose money in that scenario because the value of the asset that you invested in has diminished. Well, guess what? Mortgages and mortgage-backed promissory notes, every day interest gets added to the balance, so you don't go backwards, which is a wonderful thing. That's one of the reasons that people that have money do invest in this asset class. Now, what I'm going to suggest to you is this. Right now, you may not know a thing about how mortgage-backed promissory notes actually work, but you can certainly learn it. You can head over to noteinvestoruniversity.com. That's my website, noteinvestoruniversity.com. And on that website, you can learn more about investing in mortgage-backed promissory notes. The other thing that you can do there is download a free 10-part mini training that I put together to help people kind of peek behind the curtain and see what mortgage-backed promissory note investing is all about. You can download that for free and watch that. And if you like what you see in the free 10-part mini training, then you can go back to Note Investor University and enroll in the university. And once you do, you'll connect with me personally and the other instructors that are your mentors as you go through that process. So guys, I just want to suggest to you, look into this. I mean, I know that you're an investor, and I know that the reason you invest is to create a better future for yourself and for your family. That's why we all invest, right? And think about this. If we didn't want to create a better future, we'd just spend all of our money today, right? But that's not what we do, because we do want to have a better future. And so if you want to create a better future for yourself and your family, then head on over to Note Investor University, download the free 10-part training, review it, see what you think. And if you like it, join us. And if it's not a fit, that's okay. You've lost nothing, right? You've lost nothing, but you've learned something. And in closing, what I'd like to say is this: God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless America.